Hey guys, Jenna here, and I'm in Mexico. Most Americans, when they visit Mexico, they visit Cabo, Cancun, Cozumel, and Puerto Vallarta. Today I'm going to show you a hip little town just an hour outside of Puerto Vallarta that has a great live music scene, delicious Mexican food, and a beautiful beach. Come with me to explore Sayulita. I decided to go with Airbnb for this trip instead of hostels. It just made more sense financially, but I always look at either Hostelworld, Booking.com, or I look at Airbnb. So this time I was able to score a really nice, tiny apartment right in the middle of Sayulita, which is right where I want to be because I want to be able to walk 3 minutes to the beach or just go down the steps of my own little apartment and get a taco, get a margarita, have fun, and not have to go too far to get home. So I'm going to show you inside. It's about 400 square feet. I pay about $66 a night to stay here. Now if I was staying here long term, maybe I could work out a deal to get it even cheaper. But because I'm sharing this space with my boyfriend, it's only $33 a night for me. So yeah, this is basically all I need here in Mexico. Let me show you around. Yes, that's a hanging bed. It adds charm to the place, along with the traditional style ceilings. The apartment includes a small seating area and bar. There's also a small kitchen and bathroom. Alright guys, let me show you a little more of Sayulita. One of my favorite areas of Sayulita is the river market. Here you can find handmade local jewelry, textiles, art, and maybe even a little more than you're bargaining for. When you're shopping in Mexico and then all of a sudden you see this guy. Okay. Art seems to be everywhere in Sayulita. One shop worth a visit is Evoke the Spirit, featuring indigenous and local art. They even offer workshops. If you're looking for fun in the sun, you have two beach options. The main beach in Sayulita features plenty of bars, restaurants, beach massages, as well as paddleboard and surfboard rentals and lessons. Bienvenidos a la Playa De Los Muertos. If you're interested in more of a private beach experience, you can walk just 10 minutes to Playa De Los Muertos, or Beach of the Dead. Along the way, you'll pass by a typical Mexican graveyard, which is how the beach received its name. There are almost too many excellent food options in Sayulita. You really can't go wrong, from the street vendors all the way to the nicest restaurants. Here are just a few items I happily consumed. At night, Sayulita comes alive with musical performances. Check out Dom Patos, Attico, Su Casa, Lucid, and many more for great live music. Aside from surfing, other popular activities in Sayulita include renting golf carts, getting a massage or pedicure, or taking a boat tour to the infamous Marietta Islands. So today we're going to do something really fun. We're going on a tour that is described as the best day of your life. But first up, we are taking this guy to a boat. This is pretty awesome. It's like a giant playground.
Marietta Islands, just off the coast of Sayulita in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico.
After a brief visit to the Marietta Islands, we returned back to our boat for some more playtime.
Muchas gracias por mirando. I'll see you guys next time with a new minimalist lifestyle or travel video.